Hello everyone, good morning. This is me Manya Gupta, your tech host. Bulletin of the day starts with Microsoft, which unveils Phi-4. Compact AI model outperforms larger counterparts. UPI transactions to become 50% faster with NPCI's new initiative. Zoho halts $700 million chip-making projects, hindering India's semiconductor ambitions. Farewell to Skype, Microsoft to retire iconic app on May 5. Zomato shuts down 15-minute delivery service quick every day. Amitabh Bachchan joins Tara Gaming Studio as co-founder. Finally, about Vivo, which launches Y19 5G in India with 5500 mAh battery. So in yesterday's quiz, we asked you, what protocol does HTTPS use for secure communication? Answer is Transport Layer Security. Now it's time for a daily tech question. Here is the one today. What is the full form of URL? Confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Starting with the news section, Microsoft has introduced its latest suite of AI models, Phi-4, designed to deliver high-level reasoning capabilities despite their smaller size. These models outperform larger counterparts in various tasks, offering efficient performance without the need for extensive computational resources. Phi-4's compact design makes it ideal for integration into a wide range of applications, from enterprise solutions to consumer-facing tools. Initially available through Microsoft's Azure AI Foundry platform under a research license agreement, Phi-4, that is PHI-4, is also set to be released on Hugging Face. The controlled rollout includes safety features and monitoring tools to address concerns about AI risk and misuse. Microsoft emphasized responsible AI development, making robust capabilities available to customers building with PHI models, including Phi 3.5 mini optimized for Windows Copilot Plus PCs. This strategic move positions Microsoft at the forefront of AI innovation, offering accessible, powerful tools for a broad spectrum of users. Moving on, the National Payments Corporation of India, that is NPCI, is set to enhance the speed of Unified Payments Interface UPI transactions by 50%, thanks to a new initiative aimed at optimizing payment processing times. This move is expected to significantly improve user experience, particularly during peak transaction periods, and further solidify UPI's position as a leading digital payment method in India. The enhancement involves technological upgrades and infrastructure improvement to handle higher transaction volumes efficiently. So as digital payments continue to surge in popularity, initiative underscores NPCI's commitment to maintaining a robust and user-friendly payment ecosystem. The faster processing times will benefit a wide range of users, from individual consumers to business, facilitating a smoother and reliable financial transaction across the country. This development aligns with India's broader digital transformation goals, promoting financial inclusion and convenience. Moving on, the Indian software firm Zoho has suspended its ambitious $700 million plan to enter chip manufacturing, marking a significant setback for India's semiconductor aspirations. The decision stems from Zoho's inability to secure a suitable technology partner to navigate the complexities of chip production. Initially reported in May 2024, the initiative involved a $400 million investment to establish a facility in Karnataka, expected to generate 460 jobs and become the state's first such project. Despite forming a board and making initial hires under the subsidiary Sielectric Semiconductor Manufacturing, Zoho has indefinitely halted the plan. This move follows closely on the heels of Gautam Adani's group pausing its own $10 billion chip project involving Israel's Tower Semiconductor. Zoho's retreat underscores the challenges which India faces in building a domestic chip-making industry, despite Prime Minister Narendra Modi's efforts to position the country as a global semiconductor hub. Founded in 1996, Zoho is a $12 billion company providing cloud-based business softwares in over 150 countries and is known for operating from rural areas under co-founder Sridhar Vembu. Now, after more than 2 decades of service, Microsoft has announced the retirement of its video calling platform Skype, effective May 5, 2025. Launched in 2003, Skype revolutionized online communication, reaching a peak of 300 million users. However, its user base dwindled to 36 million by the user base dwindled to 36 million by 2023 due to stiff competition from platforms like Zoom or Google Meet. Microsoft, which acquired Skype in 2011 for $8.5 billion, is now directing users to its Teams platform, offering similar features along with additional functionalities like calendar management, meeting hostings, so users can seamlessly transition to Teams using their existing Skype credentials with all messages, contacts, and group chats migrating automatically. The announcement has stirred emotions on social media, with many reminiscing about Skype's role in connecting people globally. Despite its decline, Skype's impact on digital communication remains significant for now. Let us talk about Eternal, which was formerly Zomato. They reported a significant 78% drop in fourth quarter profit to 390 million rupees, down from 1.75 billion rupees the previous year. The profit decline is attributed to heavy investments in expanding its quick commerce unit, Blinkit, which saw revenue more than double to 17.09 billion rupees. However, Blinkit's adjusted core loss also widened sharply to 1.78 billion rupees as the company opened a record of 294 new stores in the quarter. The quick commerce sector in India has become increasingly competitive, with Blinkit contending against Swiggy's Instamart and startup Zepto in a price and market share battle. Additionally, Eternal plans to shut down Zomato Quick, a food delivery service launched just months prior due to inconsistent customer experience. Meanwhile, the traditional food delivery business under Zomato experienced slower growth with a 17% year-on-year increase in revenue to 24.09 billion rupees, falling short of the company's 20% growth forecast. Eternal anticipates intensified competition in the near term, including from next-day delivery services. Now we have a news about Bollywood legend Amitabh Bachchan, who has joined Tara Gaming Studio as a co-founder alongside author Amish Tripathi and entrepreneur Nuruddin Abood. The studio aims to create immersive gaming experience rooted in Indian mythology and culture. Bachchan's involvement is expected to bring significant attention and credibility to the venture, potentially attracting a broader audience to Indian-themed gaming content. The collaboration signifies a growing trend of integrating traditional narratives with the modern technology to produce culturally rich gaming experiences. With the gaming industry in India experiencing a rapid growth, Tara Gaming Studios' unique approach could position it as a pioneer in the space. The team's combined expertise in storytelling, technology, and entertainment is anticipated to result in innovative and engaging games which resonates with both domestic and international audience. This initiative also reflects a broader movement towards diversifying content in the gaming industry, offering players more variety, a chance to explore stories and characters inspired by India's rich heritage. Last but not the least, Vivo has launched its latest smartphone, the Y19 5G in India, featuring a robust 5500 mAh battery, IP64 rating for dust and water resistance. Devices power a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset and offers a 6.72-inch FHD plus LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. It comes equipped with a 50MP primary camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, catering to photography enthusiasts. Priced competitively, the Y19 5G aims to capture the attention of budget-conscious consumers seeking advanced features. Smartphone also includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, dual SIM support, and runs on FunTouch OS based on Android 14. With its combination of performance, durability, and affordability, the Vivo Y19 5G is poised to be a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market in India. The launch reflects Vivo's commitment to delivering feature-rich devices that cater to evolving needs of Indian consumers. This was all for today's bulletin. I'll again meet you tomorrow. Till then, stay safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe IT Voice for all the tech updates.